subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Realme has launched its new affordable phone under C-series in Malaysia called Realme C21 with a stylish design pattern. Talking about the specifications, the Realme C21 features a 6.5-inch HD Plus display with 20:9 aspect ratio and a large 89.5% screen-to-body ratio. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Helio G35 chipset, paired with 3GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 32GB of onboard storage that is expandable up to 256GB via dedicated microUSD card slot. As per the camera, the Realme C21 supports a triple camera setup on the rear in a squarish module at the top left corner, including an LED flash. The AAA camera includes a 13MP main camera with f2.2 aperture plus 2MP macro and 2MP black and white sensor with f2.4 aperture. At the front, it has an 5MP selfie camera under the water drop notch at the top center with f2.2 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery that supports 10W charging. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 10 out of the box with Realme UI skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone also features an rear-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a microUSB charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 165.2 by 76.4 by 8.9mm and it weighs around 190 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Realme C21 has been priced in Malaysia at 499 Malaysian ringgits. And the smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in cross black and cross blue color options. So what do you guys think of this Realme C21 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.